This is a raised bed. You decide the length, the width, and the depth you need. I built mine by 2 by 4, and I now need to shorten it. It's too wide. I'm going to do it 3 feet. I already have potting mix, plants growing, and before the season starts, now's the time to go about. What am I going to do? Step 1. Remove the plants, remove the potting mix, and get everything away where I need to have that 1 foot. Let's do that right now. I got some plants right here that are growing. We're going to replant it. I want to know where my 3 foot mark is at, where I'm taking off. So I put some string, and that's what I have to take out. I'm also going to take the side walls off. Alright, you don't have to be perfect, but get the idea. Get it nice and clean. And you're going to want to take off some of the screws that are on here, and I did already. And all this is loose. I need to measure 3 feet. What I can do now is I have a board over here on the bottom. As you can see, it's coming up. And this board is going to be saved, this particular one, for the reason of it cuts this end over here. And all this is going to be shifted over to here, everything here. So I have to make some supports with legs, so this way it holds the weight. Take a piece of wood. Do your best to get some nails in. My support's not the best. I'm going to take all this off. I'm going to slide this all the way down and do the same for the other. Now I'm able to take this out and cut this down. Yeah, always with the drill. I lost the wing nut. I'm not going to get upset. I'll find it. It's here somewhere. Maybe it's in the dirt. My hardest part now is taking this board out. That's the important part right there. I found it. Well, I know what to do. I got a lot of work to do. So I'm going to just do my work. The hard part is over. Now I got here is, my greenhouse stuff. Well, I could leave it like this and vent it out, but I now got to shorten this up. So do I center it and just cut the pipes closer, or do I just bring it over here to to one side and have this pipe just cut, you know, right here. Have a short pipe in it. I think I could do it like that. I think I'll be happy with it. Well, you know what they say, winter's over. Now I'm all done for now. The project's done, the box is short, netting, plastic for the future, for winter. I'm able to put my next project together, continue with the cage with netting over there. And I am very pleased. We still got a little bit more room so I could push it over. Everything worked out just fine. That don't bother me at all. It may bother you. Don't bother me. It don't bother you. We're all happy and done. Well, it's time to say, hey, I'm Fish. I hope you enjoyed this review. It's not a review. It could be a review for the Skills Circular Saw. But I hope you enjoyed this project that may be right for me. I hope you enjoyed this project. It was very easy, simple to do. A little time consuming, a little modification. You never know when you have to redo things